And because they don't care about progressiveness. What they want is let us gain. What would I gain now? Not that. The same class of people that criticize PM for agitating for Biafra, they told you the Mazakano was killing people. That he was killing people. Our people are dying. Our people are dying. Our people are dying. Our people are this. Our people are that. Do you know that the same people that was telling the Mazakano is one responsible for buying of our people, that he's risking the life of Igbo youth. He's risking the life of Igbo youth. They are the one telling the Mazakano is an angel. He's a saint. That without Mazakano would have gone. And if you know, you know. Cancel from some of you that follow Mazakano, then 2014, 15, 16, 17, even 18, you can bear witness of what I just said. Many people were on social media using platforms telling the Mazakano is a devil. That people are being buying, that he's just buying youth. He's not buying youth. He's just risking the life of youth. His job is to buy youth. That look at our people. This guy is just there in UK, enjoying with his family, and the youth, and pushing the gullible one to go and buy for nothing. You are buying them for nothing. Today, Mazakano is innocent. PM is the one buying people now. He is buying people. Look at him. No more, because his PM is now. He's not a preacher now. The PM was the same people moved from Mazakano. Once Mazakano was kidnapped, they moved from Mazakano to PM. That are people who don't have the money buy and they money buy. Then you ask them, okay, if PM was the one, was PM doing the same thing when Mazakano was here? Who was buying people? Mazakano was just he's a peaceful man, he's a very gentle man and all that. Okay, now PM is the problem. They will tell you yes. That this work but one room agitator. What did he know? Who know him? If not, the Mazakano give him chance. The Mazakano don't even mean to tell you to go follow him. That is just like a slip of tongue. It was Mazakano mistake, according to them, that PM was the problem. PM was the problem. Now that PM is not here, they have moved from PM now to Ngosorabe Fulani. Ngosorabe Fulani is the one buying our people now. And all these names, all these people saying those things, they have not seen any of these people holding catapult to buy anybody. One thing, the funny part is that they ignore the people carrying the action. They don't talk about them. They don't mention them. You ask yourself, are they scared of them? The answer is no. Sometimes you may say yes. But the issue is not about, it's not as if they care about buying people. It's not as if they care about people being buyed. The simple thing they want to achieve is this: to take out the people speaking on your behalf, representing you. The agenda is to take them out. Then you'll be vulnerable for those buying people to buy you. They don't care about your existence. But when you hear them talking about now they buy, they don't talk about people carrying the action. For example, now you send your child to go and buy something, and your child on the way to buy something in the market and choose to fight another child. Okay? They refuse to separate the fight or talk about the two people fighting. They channel their anger on the parent who sent the child to go and buy something. If you tell youth to go and do something and they choose to do some criminal activities, are you going to talk about the criminal that are being carried out, or you will focus your energy on the person that sent them to go and do something that you know that is legitimate? That thing they told them to go and do, that the person sent the child to go and do, is not a crime. But they don't talk about the crime and those who carry that action, that crime out. They don't talk about it. They focus, they channel their energy on the parent who sent that child to go and do something that is genuine. Their intention is not to stop the fight. Their intention is to make sure that that child will not come out again ever. So that anything that the child went there to do, nobody will do it again. It will take you years to raise or to have another parent who may sound like the person that they ended up taking away from the picture. You see, all those people, that's what I call conquest enablers. They all have one thing in common. Before they say something, they have to calculate what they're going to gain. What am I going to gain?